In a world that's constantly evolving, what if we told you that you could turn your love for gaming into a thriving income source? We've all heard of professional gamers and streamers who rake in massive bucks by playing video games, but is that really possible for everyday gamers? The answer is a resounding yes. Welcome to the fascinating realm where your passion for gaming meets the prospect of generating real income. When you were a kid, did you ever dream that playing video games could be a way to pay the bills? Well, that dream is now a reality for many gamers. Right now, we will explore the exhilarating world of live gaming streams and how you can start capitalizing on your gaming skills. You've likely heard of streamers like PewDiePie, Ninja, Shroud, and Dog Disrespect. These household names aren't celebrities in the traditional sense, but in the world of gaming, they're superstars. Streaming isn't about sitting back and binge-watching Netflix. It's about broadcasting yourself playing video games live to a captivated audience. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook Gaming have opened up doors for aspiring streamers to share their gaming experiences with the world. The more viewers you have, the more opportunities for making money await you. But here's the fun part. There are no strict guidelines on what games you have to play to become a successful streamer. The best streamers embrace diversity, playing a variety of games. So how exactly do streamers make money? It's an exciting blend of income streams that gaming enthusiasts can tap into. Firstly, by ad revenue. Just like you see commercials during your favorite TV shows, streamers insert ads into their streams, allowing companies to reach their audience. The streamer gets paid, and the advertisers get their products in front of gamers. Secondly, by subscriptions. Many streamers build a loyal following on platforms like Twitch, where viewers can subscribe to their channels for additional perks. Subscribers enjoy benefits like an ad-free viewing experience and exclusive content. These subscriptions provide a steady income for both the streamer and the platform. Thirdly, by sponsorships. Companies love to harness the influence of popular streamers. They pay streamers to promote their products, play specific games, or even enjoy particular beverages while gaming. It's an exciting fusion of gaming and advertising. Furthermore, by tips. If you're entertained by a particular stream or a spectacular gaming moment, you can show appreciation by tipping the streamer. It's like giving them a virtual high five while helping them earn money. Last but not the least, by content creation. Streaming isn't limited to live broadcasts. Savvy streamers repurpose their best content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, creating opportunities for additional income through sponsored content. Becoming a successful streamer isn't a walk in the park. It takes time and dedication to build an audience, so it's often best to start streaming as a side hustle before diving in full time. If you'd rather not stream your gaming live, you can still transform your gaming passion into dollars through the creation of engaging content. It's all about crafting captivating videos that resonate with your audience. Here's how you can do it. First, Let's Play videos. Let's Play videos are an excellent way to share your gaming experiences with an audience. You can create scripted, comedic, or informative videos while playing your favorite games. These videos may contain tips and tricks, or simply capture the fun of your gameplay. The key is to make it engaging, entertaining, and authentic. Second, originality is the key. Viewers are drawn to original content and unique perspectives. Offer something different, whether it's your style of commentary or the way you play the game. Inject personality into your videos, and remember that humor can go a long way in keeping your audience entertained. Third, monetization options. Once you've built an audience on platforms like YouTube or TikTok, you can start to monetize your content. Make money through ads on your videos, get involved in sponsored videos, and explore other opportunities that align with your content. Why watch when you can play? You might wonder why people watch others play games when they can play themselves. For many, it's about entertainment or learning. They might not know how to conquer a challenging level or use a particular in-game skill. Your videos can provide the answers they seek, or viewers may simply enjoy your gaming antics. What about behind the scenes? Don't hesitate to show the behind-the-scenes aspects of your gaming life. You can share your gaming setup, reveal the gear you use, and even give viewers a glimpse into your gaming routine. Authenticity can be a magnet for your audience. Now, let's delve into the exciting world of esports, where your gaming skills can potentially lead to substantial cash rewards. Esports refers to professional gaming, where highly skilled gamers compete in tournaments for a substantial cash prize. The likes of Fortnite, League of Legends, and Dota 2 tournaments have turned everyday gamers into millionaires. However, reaching this level of competitive gaming requires immense dedication and talent. Competitive gaming can transform your beloved pastime into a daily grind, making it feel more like work than fun. To excel in esports, you need to invest time and effort in practice, qualifying matches, and actual tournaments. The rewards can be incredible, but the journey isn't for the faint of heart. The world of esports continues to gain momentum, with professional gamers achieving recognition and fame that was once reserved for traditional athletes. Their earnings are substantial, making it hard to ignore the potential in the gaming industry. Esports is no longer just about winning a game, it's about winning big in life. Participating in esports might also introduce you to sponsorships, where gaming companies pay you to play specific titles or promote their products. This additional income source can significantly enhance your gaming career's profitability. As you dive deeper into competitive gaming, remember that the journey might alter your perception of your favorite game. What once brought pure joy may now become a serious pursuit. For those who balance passion and competition, the rewards can be astounding. If you think making money by playing games means streaming, creating content, or engaging in grand tournaments, think again. There's an unconventional yet accessible way to earn real cash through downloadable money-making game apps. You don't need a high-end gaming rig or expensive equipment. Your everyday smartphone or tablet, whether iOS or Android, is your gateway to turning your downtime into dollar sign. One of the finest examples is Solitaire Cash. Everyone knows Solitaire, the classic card game that's perpetually pre-installed on your computer. With Solitaire Cash, you can play various versions of this beloved game with an exciting twist. You can win real money. Imagine taking a break, playing a quick round of Solitaire, and having a chance to pocket some real cash in the process. It's easy, accessible, and likely features games you're already familiar with. In the world of downloadable game apps, it's not just about entertainment. It's about converting your free time into real money. Now, as you dive headfirst into the gaming profession, you might be thinking about setting up the ideal gaming environment. To kickstart your gaming career, consider investing in equipment like a green screen, professional lighting, and high-quality streaming gear. To ensure that your gaming expenses are well managed, it's wise to explore financial tools that can support your endeavors. One valuable resource is a business credit card. Here's a card recommendation. This credit card offers unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, which means you're rewarded for each expense you incur. With a $0 annual fee, it's an affordable option, making it easier for you to manage your gaming costs. Plus, the welcome offer allows you to earn $900 bonus cash back after spending $6,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. One unique feature of this card is its 0% intro APR for 12 months on purchases, then 18.49% to 24.49% variable. This can be particularly helpful for businesses and side hustles that often require significant startup costs. The introductory APR can provide a financial cushion, and it's a stepping stone to seize the welcome offer for an additional boost. By effectively managing your professional gaming expenses, you'll ensure a smoother journey toward gaming success. This financial support can pave the way for an exciting and profitable gaming career. Now, you might be wondering what's the right path for you to embark upon. Should you choose the excitement of game streaming, the creativity of crafting gaming content, the competitive world of esports, or the convenience of downloadable game apps? The answer lies in your unique gaming journey, your passions, and your ambitions. Whichever path you decide to take, remember that in today's digital age, turning your gaming passion into profit is not a far-fetched dream. It's a thrilling and achievable reality. So press start and let the games begin. Your gaming adventure awaits, filled with opportunities to earn, entertain, and thrive. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey through the world of making money by playing games. If you enjoyed this adventure and found our video informative and entertaining, be sure to drop a like, share it with your fellow gamers, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting content. And don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss a gaming update. Until next time, keep gaming, keep winning, and keep the fun alive.